Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial today, I'm going to be showing you some Steal the BRAINROT Fortnite codes. These are secret admin codes allowing you to get all secrets in Steal a BRAINROT Fortnite for free, guys. This literally takes just a few minutes and this is a secret admin code. I spent a long time searching Google and YouTube, trying tons of different codes, and I finally managed to find some that actually worked, guys. So just follow the instructions that I'm going to show you. It's going to take a few minutes, but basically, guys, what you're going to want to do is use your mobile phone. You can see I've got an iPhone here. You can do this on Android as well. It's just very important you have an internet connection, and head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. So just type it exactly like this, guys, to take you to Cold Coupons. And if you haven't seen this website before, this is a awesome game codes website. They have codes for loads of different games. So what you're going to want to do is use the search bar and just type in Steal. You're looking for Fortnite Steal the BRAINROT. This code here, guys, there's one available code. Really popular method, guys. 6,000 plus people who have rated this almost 5 stars. And this is the code, guys. This is a Steal the BRAINROT Fortnite code. Get all secrets. This is going to unlock every single secret in Steal a BRAINROT for free. This is a secret admin code, guys. And as you can see, there are limited codes. There are a ton of them. There's 988 there. So what you're going to want to do is follow the steps here to get your specific code. So this is going to look for a working code for you to use. Okay, so basically, guys, because as I mentioned, you can see there are limited codes, 986 codes left. So what you're going to want to do is unlock your code so that your code is ready, will be revealed in the box below after verification. And as you can see, guys, the admin code is hidden. You need to unlock your code by clicking this button. Following the instructions here, complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your code from Cold Coupons. Now, because these are desirable offers, these are basically free tasks that sponsor Cold Coupons. So they're completely free for you, but it does take a few minutes just to complete a couple of them, guys. They're really easy things like installing applications and running them for 30 seconds. Alternatively, you can do surveys, answer the questions, and fill in details. So really simple, guys. Like I said, they're completely free. And once you fully complete 2 of them, it will redirect you back to Cold Coupons, and your Steal the BRAINROT Fortnite admin code will be unlocked. And when you redeem it in Steal the BRAINROT, that is going to supply you with all the secrets. So that is how to get all secrets for free. And yeah, this is by far the best Steal the BRAINROT Fortnite code. So head on over to Cold Coupons, guys, and just find this codes page here. Any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Make sure you drop a like on this video if you got your secrets, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.